Welcome to the ultimate tool for lead generation and data extraction from Google Maps. Whether you're looking for fresh, laser-targeted leads or comprehensive business data, our powerful Google Maps scraper has you covered. Get lifetime access for just $30. Upgrade to premium for a one-time payment of $99 and enjoy unlimited access across multiple PCs. Gone are the days of manually collecting business information. This tool can extract detailed data in seconds, saving you time, effort, and hours of tedious work. Efficiency boost. Enhanced productivity. Time saving. With just a few clicks, you can get up-to-date leads directly from Google Maps, based on location or keyword. And the best part? The data is fresh and always accurate. Need contact details? No problem. Our tool extracts business names, emails, phone numbers, addresses, and even social media links, everything you need to target your audience effectively. Business names, phone numbers, emails, addresses, ratings and reviews, social media links, and more. Imagine having all of this data in one place. You can get comprehensive business insights with over 60+ fields of data, including valuable information like pricing, hours, reviews, and even the business's atmosphere. And don't worry about how to use the data, you'll have full control. Export everything into CSV or Excel files, ready to be integrated into your favorite tools or analysis platforms. CSV export. Excel export. You'll be able to use this data across your marketing, sales, and lead generation strategies in seconds. Whether you're looking to grow your email list, reach out to new clients, or conduct market research, our Google Maps scraper has got you covered. Looking for competitive insights? Or maybe you want to find new leads to expand your business? This tool is perfect for market research, lead generation, and business intelligence. You can even extract in-depth data about your competition. With access to real-time data, you'll always stay ahead of the curve in finding new leads and opportunities. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or researcher, this tool will be your go-to for data extraction from Google Maps. So why wait? Take control of your lead generation and data extraction process today. Get started with our powerful Google Maps scraper and unlock a world of endless opportunities. Start scraping with power today. Click the link below. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Let the leads flow in effortlessly.